This is so awesome. I'm flying my Bebop 2 that I got from clearance for half price, $3.99 from Hello 10K Walker here. I am so excited. I just visit a local London drug, just checking out drones and saw something incredible. This is the Parrot Bebop 2 on clearance. The regular price is $800. Now it's half price for $399. I'm very excited about this drone because I know the Parrot line of drone is very good quality, very easy to fly, and the video on this is very smooth. 25 minutes flight time. Let's open up the box. Wow, this is very beautiful, very pretty. The battery charger, accessory box, the battery, and the drone. Yeah, I'm excited. Propellers. Now I can't wait to fly this thing. I need to have good weather. I can make some really awesome, cool looking video. Hooray! This drone is very capable. It's flying very fast. And now I'm just using the return home function. I did about 10 tests of the returning home. It's very accurate, usually about 2 to 3 steps from the original location. This drone is really awesome. It's also very beautiful. It's red and black. The best thing about this drone is the flight time. It's good for 25 minutes. Really cool.